Good morning, guys. Wedding shoot again today. It's Saturday, yeah, and let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. It's been a strong struggle with the vlogs right now. I haven't been editing a lot, and I haven't been uploading, but yeah, everything's piling in, and I'm not able to edit them. But anyway, I need to shoot a wedding today. I'll be shooting it in Marlon, and this is BJ's booking. And yeah, I need to go to the groom's place. I'm on time. That's a good thing. Yeah, that's a good thing. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Actually, I'm really nervous right now because I slept late. I slept early. I was out last night washing the clothes, doing the laundry, that is. And I ended up doing the laundry at around 4 a.m. Went home at around 4:15, went to sleep, and then I had to wake up around 6:30 to prepare because I had to start shooting at around 7:30. So yeah, stress. Good luck to me. We're gonna be shooting today till 10:30, and tomorrow I'll have another shoot with JM also. So yeah, busy.
Roving entertainment tracks on
So we just done shooting teaser at the bride's place. We're heading back to the groom's place. I was shooting at the groom's place earlier, and I'm heading back there. Oh, nice place here. Anyway, quite a rushed day today. So whenever we do Chinese, Vietnamese, any Asian weddings, we do the tea ceremonies, and whenever we do tea ceremonies, it's gonna be a lot of work. But either way, it's still fun shooting a wedding. Yeah, it is. Okay, now I fucked up. I just went directly to the reception. I forgot there's still a tea ceremony in the groom's place. So I'm fucked up. They went out fast. Yeah, the day went out fast. I'm here shooting the wedding, and I haven't shot anything because today's so hot. So yeah, I'm still here till 10:30. Talk to you later, guys. Okay, bro, we're done for today. How it going?
15 hours of shoot.
Okay. Time to dance? No, we're not dancing.
Let's go.
We're done with the wedding today, and we're heading out.
Wasak.
Record ba? Oo. Sige, tawag ka lang. Ay, di low light. Di kasi ano eh. Di kasi A73. A65 lang to eh.
Kaya.
Okay, bro. See you.
See you.
Sa sunod. Sa ulitin. Tingnan muna tayo. Iwan mo na isa dito. Okay, bro. Morning filmmaking homies again. Morning, guys. Didn't film a lot yesterday because I was shooting a wedding, and you know how hectic it is when you're shooting a wedding. But anyway, I'm heading towards St. Albans right now, and I'll be meeting GM. Fuck again. Good morning, filmmaking homies. It's me again, and it's a Sunday today. Was a tiring shoot yesterday. Did film a lot. I got tired, so yeah, and we got very busy. Yesterday's wedding was 36 degrees. Right now it's 39, which is still very hot. I'm heading towards St. Albans right now. I'm gonna meet JM. We're gonna film. I need to go now because I need to go now. Good morning, guys. It's already 10 a.m. Yeah, I woke up late. My body hurts. But we're shooting today. We're shooting. Hopefully, we'll get a we'll get a good run. Morning. I'm gonna grab something to eat for now because I'm hungry. Yep. How you guys going? The sun's so bad in my face. I got kind of sleepy today. Coffee frap. Yeah. I just arrived. Heading there now. JM is filming it. Why so serious, bro? Film crew. Yeah, I was just up assisting JM with a shoot, but right now it's a scorcher. I'm gonna be back later. I'm just gonna go home for now, go somewhere else, and I'll meet up with him. It's later. Fuck, it's 40 degrees. It's really scorching hot here. Yeah, it is. Damn. Might as well get an electric fan at Kohl's or something. Yeah, that would be a good idea. We'll see. Okay, so to end that vlog, I fell asleep, and then Jane was shooting in the city. I wasn't there. I woke up late. Sorry, Jam. Next time, I'll make it up. What a crappy ending. Anyway, ciao. Also, stay tuned for the Reloaded vlog tomorrow. It'll be up around 11 or 12 Australia time. Yeah, check it out.